my name is Ched. Welcome back to Nepali CBTM with Ched. So we are doing today tiramisu cake recipe from Nepali CBTM. So it is very tasty. I hope you guys like it. Guys, these are the ingredients. So I made already 1 cup of coffee, strong. So you can use also the espresso, and 24 pieces lady's finger, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 60-gram white sugar, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, coca powder, and 1 teaspoon rum. And this is a mascarpone cheese, Italian cream cheese, so it is very soft and mild. So 2 eggs, only the yellow part, don't put the white part, and add sugar and whisk together. And then, so this is called double boil system. So the water is put down and boil, and you keep like that and whisk together until 5 to 7 minutes. So keep whisk until 5 to 7 minutes, guys. So it's called double boil. Let's keep doing still 7 minutes. It's come form, so then it will be ready. So after 7 minutes, add half teaspoon vanilla extract and mix together. Mascarpone cheese should be room temperature, and add the rum and mix together. And this is sugar and yolk, so I'm going to mix together. So this is a 1 cup heavy cream. So I'm going to make whipped cream. So after make whipped cream like that, so I'm going to mix together with cheese. And then just mix together. That's it. Here you go guys, I mix already cream and cheese. So now I'm going to make tiramisu cake. So lady's finger, dip the coffee one by one. So after arrange like that, so put on the top. Half up. And arrange nicely. And you guys do same way another time. So after this, put again top on the top. And arrange nicely. So after arrange like that, and then you put plastic cover. After finishing, you put the plastic cover, wrap it, and you put refrigerator 8 hours to 24 hours.
24 hours later.
So I take from the refrigerator after 24 hours. So I'm going to take plastic cover, and look at that, and you toss, you feel it is now is hard. So I'm going to put on the top cocoa powder. Slowly. So tiramisu cake is now ready. So I'm going to taste. Wow, it is so delicious and yummy. Everything texture is perfect. Thanks for watching enough the video. Like and subscribe with notification. I will see you guys next video. Have a wonderful day.